Hey guys, so I'm here with Matt Emonson here in the LA studio. Matt's the house engineer, and we've got these ultimate support stands. What's the model number on these, Matt?
It is the ultimate support MC-125.
And you want to see what's really super awesome about these, because they're like really heavy duty stands. Here's what happens if you tighten them down. Look at this. These things are fucking amazing. Check this out. I'll do the same thing with this one. I'll move the counterbalance over a little bit. Let's see what happens. See if it'll hold. Oh wow, it actually held. Let's see what happens if we move it out a little bit. Oh yeah, holds like a fucking rock. Yeah, I want to put my $3,000 Neumann U87 on these fucking things. Hey, ultimate support, have you ever tried not building a complete piece of shit? What the fuck is this? Oh, it's out of fucking warranty. It had a 3 fucking year warranty. How many times did you fix this thing when it was under warranty, Matt?
I replaced each of them 3 times.
What the fuck, ultimate support? Hey, I got a better idea. Stop building shit and stop selling shit.